Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Well, this is quite a strong move down that we've just seen here on the Solana chart. My view is still that this here is a wave 4, which we are seeing at the moment. The previous video I had it labeled as a triangle. I think the triangle count didn't work out because of the move to the upside here. At the moment I'm labeling this as a WXY. I think this is still a wave 4. Yeah, as I said, even if we break above the triangle, I wouldn't go bullish on this. To understand where we actually are, we need to calculate the we need to use the fibs. And what we can actually see now with the latest sort of short pump that we saw here yesterday, Solana reached the 38.2% fib level, which is, again, what also told you in the previous video, that's actually the ideal level for a wave 4. So we reached the $28.60 level and got rejected. That's a good sign that wave 5 might now be unfolding. Best signal to really get wave 5 to play out and to understand that we really are in wave 5 would be a break below 27.46. Until then, it's not really confirmed, or at least this would be a very strong indication, yeah, as early as possible, 27.46. And then the confirmation will be obtained if you break below 26.80. And if we do this, then I think we are in wave 5 and we will break and, well, at least retest the June lows, which were just below $26, and then also probably break them and we'll go lower, possibly into the region between 19 to 22 cents, right? So we can put, now that we can assume wave 4 was finished. I mean, it's not confirmed, but wave 4 reached now an ideal retracement level. So let's just use here the length of the wave 1 and let's calculate possible targets for wave 5. And based on this particular count, you could argue that we might actually not get down to the $22 level. So this would show us a target for the 1-to-1 ratio. That's sort of a first target is $26, pretty much means we're retesting the June lows. An even, let's say, more frequent target would be the 24.40 level, which is the 1.618 fib extension. Yeah, that's 24.40, and that is an ideal target for a wave 5. But there's also one more way to calculate this, sort of calculating the maximum length here. Well, no, I think that was the best way to do it, right? Because wave 3 is anyway the longest. So otherwise, I could have said, right, it must not be longer than wave 3, but wave 3 is anyway longer than wave 1, so disregard that. So we're looking here at possibly, first of all, $26 if we break below 27.40, 27.50, or round about the $24 range, right? 26 to 24. And then we need to see how the price is going to react to that. And also when I have time, I need to move all of these subwaves over here, yeah, because this move down, yeah, when it's finished, it will finish off a lot of subwaves, will end a lot of the cycles and could end the bear market, yeah. And you can see here we did draw this descending broadening wedge before. We're currently moving in the upper half of it, sort of, yeah. There's two different ways of drawing it. I like the solid lines better. There's another way of drawing it because we had all these touch points here by just using the dotted line. But if we use the dotted line, we are not really reacting to it at the moment, but it might be also a possible target on the way down. We had one touch point here, 2, 3, right? Maybe 4. And you could say if we hit it again, let's say that happened today, it would be sort of the $25 level, and that would also be pretty much in line with those Fibonacci extension targets we just developed. Other than that, we are below the 50-day moving average that is currently at $32.26. Let's see actually where we are if we use the 20-day moving average. If we use that, we also below that. That's not far away either. That is at $30.80. So both moving averages that are commonly used are above the price, which means, yes, we are really here in a downtrend. And for me, it's really like, you know, unless we see a signal here, unless we break out of the wedge to the upside, break above the E wave, which was at $34.50, and then follow through and break above the wave A, which is at $39, my focus will remain on the downside here for Solana, okay? And so far, I think this is playing out. Okay, and that's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.